Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlink, exclude, or remove folders from OneDrive in Windows 11 and 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate your Microsoft OneDrive app, which is typically found on the bottom right of your taskbar within your system tray. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon to open it. Once you click, a small OneDrive window will appear on your screen, giving you quick access to your cloud storage settings and options. Now, to actually unlink, exclude, or remove folders from OneDrive, navigate to the top right part of this OneDrive window where you'll see a gear icon. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down context menu will appear with several options. From this list of options, click on Settings. This will open up a new window called the OneDrive Settings window, where you can manage various aspects of your cloud storage and syncing preferences. From here, you'll want to start by clicking on Sync and Backup from the menu options available. This section controls which folders are being synced between your local computer and your OneDrive cloud storage. Within this Sync and Backup menu, look for and click on the Manage Backup button. This is where OneDrive gives you full control over your folder syncing settings. Once you click Manage Backup, you'll see a complete list of folders that are currently linked and included in your OneDrive and local computer sync. This list shows you exactly which folders are being automatically backed up to the cloud. Now, to unlink or remove a folder from this sync, simply click on the toggle button next to each folder you want to exclude. Turn the toggle option off and OneDrive will automatically unlink and remove that folder from your PC to OneDrive Sync. This means the folder will no longer be backed up to the cloud and any changes you make locally won't sync to OneDrive anymore. And that's it! You've successfully unlinked and removed folders from your OneDrive sync. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.